Hi, my name is Ryan Liu, and I'm a senior at Biotechnology High School in Freehold, New Jersey. As I am currently sick and eczema has taken over my face, I've created a picture collage to show who I am beyond my application. I attend a vocational school that thoroughly emphasizes the natural sciences, which has fostered my interest in biology and research, and introduced me to like-minded yet unique friends. But after 4 years of such a specialized curriculum, I wish to branch out my interest in college, which is definitely achievable at Brown, thanks to the university's open curriculum. But I am more than just a research-minded student. Swimming has been a major component of my life. Starting from the age of 7, I have been competitively swimming and training for state finals, junior Olympics, and national tournaments. I've met lifelong friends through this sport, ones who have the same burning drive to improve themselves as I do. Aside from swimming, I've also accumulated countless hours playing the piano. My musical journey began from wanting to emulate my sister, but over time has grown into a true love for the music created by my fingers. Piano has instilled in me a meticulous work ethic, as I'd often practice for hours on one short section of a piece to perfect it. 3 years ago, I earned the opportunity to perform at Carnegie Hall, the highlight of my musical career. But I rarely spend my time indoors, because the outdoors is where I have the most fun. Traveling to different corners of the globe excites me, as I learn about the rich history of each place that I visit. Whether it be canoeing in Canada's Emerald Lake, to exploring the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, or maybe even skiing in the mountaintops in Vermont, I find traveling to be a great way to unwind throughout our busy schedules. Since Brown is located in a culturally diverse environment, I'm thrilled by the possibility of befriending people from different countries and backgrounds. But above all, I'm a family man. I love my family more than they know, and appreciate their sacrifices that they made for me. I value meaningful, personal connections, and look forward to making more of those in Providence. I really do think that I'd be a good member to add to the Brown family.